Of course, Indigo has done great, but now that Air India has got privatized, we're seeing Tata's pour a lot of money into that. And I think we are also going to see exciting things with some of the smaller players. Akasa's got funding, SpiceJet's got funding. So hopefully aviation sector is on the up now.
Can you give us a sense of the kind of, growth that you're expecting to see so far as pilgrimage or religious tourism is concerned? And of course, the other sectors.
So I can't give you specifics. We're a listed company and we will give guidance only when we, and we have our earnings round the corner. So we'll give you guidance. But these are
sectors that you're betting big on.
Yeah, we're we remain excited about alternate accommodation. We think it's huge, which is homestays and villas. We're very excited about corporate travel, self-serve, we call it MyBiz, or fully organized travel. International short-haul travel we think is very big. And then, like you mentioned, pilgrimage travel we think is going to be a very big growth area. Besides the routine, but these are the 4 or 5 big areas for us.
So I have to, because you've been around for so long, and of course you've been a mentor to various startups as well. There is this IPO boom that is being currently seen. So many companies, so many startup companies after a few years of inception are looking at IPOing. Many say that this could be a bubble. In fact, this was a statement that came out from the finance minister as well, not really specifically related to the IPO sector, but overall. If there are headwinds in the global economy, then we are set for a correction. Your thoughts on both of these?
See, there's no doubt that there've been a spate of IPOs, and I think that's again happening because of a confluence of factors. Firstly, a lot of these startups have reached maturity. Secondly, when you take institutional capital, you take investor money, you do need an exit, and no better exit for an entrepreneur than an IPO. And thirdly, our markets are red hot.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.